Mark from Fastway to Fitness. I've just joined the first of my 3 months trial at Entrepreneur Circle here in North Wales in Conwy. There's a great growing community here in North Wales.
Been really useful again. What I like is the structure, the content, but also the informality at the same time.
So I was very grateful for being invited this evening to the Entrepreneur Circle. It's been really helpful because I've been running a swim school for 18 years on my own. I've done all my marketing, the teaching, everything, and it's so important to network, and I've found some really good people to discuss with and exchange ideas, and I'm very grateful. Thanks very much for your help.
Yeah, every week each meeting I'm taking action points away I can implement, which is going to help develop my business.
Definitely got some clarity on how to go forward from it, and it's good to get some feedback on the ideas that I have from other people.
Okay, brilliant. And so that's Sarah Kentish, private swimming lessons in North Wales.
We've had a set of numbers that we've looked and used for the last 18 months, and I just realised today that there are some better numbers that I could be looking at, which is going to drive us faster to where we want to get to. So I just want to say huge thanks to Nigel and the team for putting on the event. It's great to be down here and have it on our doorstep here in North Wales. Thank you.